Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today, we're starting a new tutorial. How to scan for channels Hisense Roku TV. Press Home. Scroll to Settings and press OK. Scroll to TV Inputs and press OK. Scroll to Live TV and press OK. Select Setup Input and press OK. Select Scan for Channels and press OK. Tuning will normally take a few minutes. Select Done and press OK. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.